Today I would like to introduce you to one of my go-to tools to do troubleshoot network. It's netcat. Netcat can be used to learn also a lot about protocol, to test connectivity, to be able to replicate the issue at will, and to modify piece of a protocol also. I will introduce you a way of doing man in the middle. For this one, it's just an introduction, so it's very light, uh, but not too much deep. So netcat is a Swiss Army knife that you can do a lot with it. The first thing you can do is open a port. So on they have different version depending on the OS that you use. Mac, Windows, and Linux have different call for the option. So on Mac, so verbose, local, you say the port that you want to listen to. Now my port is open. Now I want to connect to it. It will be an HTTP connection, not HTTPS for this time. I want it local, and I want the root page. So that is the header of my request look like. The site will give an error since you did not return anything back. So this header tells you the type of protocol that is used, the host that I try to connect, what is the connection type, so keep alive or close. So that can be important when you troubleshoot proxy and latency issue sometime. So the user agent, it's very important. So depending on the website, it will deliver a different page if it's for a small device, a mobile device, or for a web page for a browser. So good to know. What is accepted, sometimes also the language, the many things can be included in the header. So depending on what you're troubleshooting, that can be a good thing to begin to understand. Also cookie will be appearing, so nice to understand how to modify and play with those. So first thing first, I want to save that header. So that's probably the most easy way. Open the port and send everything that is sent to a file that's called a.txt. I will do that again. Oops, I want the root file, send. It's clocking, that means that the page was sent. So I will just stop here. I will go see if I receive the page. Oops, sorry for I started that by mistake. So now we have all the information saved. Now you want to play the man in the middle. You want to use the header of that browser. That can be a cell phone, that can be lots of things. Send it to a web page. I will take an example. I will use it for Google. So first I will edit the files. You want www.google.com. Sometimes some server have multiple hosts on one server, like virtual hosts, so it's good to specify the host always. If you use protocol 1.1. 1.0 you don't need. So we will use this one. We will send it using pipe to netcat. Still wanted verbose to Google and see the reply. It will be huge. Oh, true. Just tell us that it moved to an HTTPS. So we don't want necessarily to go to an HTTPS website. So we can just simply take that reply, put it in B. Now, if we want to see it inside a browser, what we can do is cat B, pipe it to a netcat that will simply listen on port 80. So when I will try, it will send me the redirect to Google HTTPS. You're having it. I wish you have enjoyed this introduction to Man in the Middle and netcat. I wish you a good day, guys.